EPS Teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to DPS Teleclass. I am Shaira Miss and today I am here to take a thematic lesson for grade 6 students. Students, are you ready for the class? Okay, but before we begin today's class, let's read the dua for knowledge.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
First of all, let's see the learning intention. Today we are going to learn about significant features of Maldivian culture and heritage. Divehing Sagafata Tarika. When one considers about the cultural identity, it bears a lot of similarities to some other cultures of the world. The Maldivian culture is a blend of cultures, reflecting the settlers who settled on the islands and reinforced by religion and language. It is said that the earliest settlers were probably from southern India, Arabia, and other regions of Southeast Asia. The Maldivian cultural traits can be very well seen or the influence of other cultures that of Southwest African and Asian cultures in the Maldives. Divehi communities, the way people live by norms and values in a society or groups is a very important feature of a culture. If one visits a Maldivian small community or an island, people live in kind of a close-knitted group. This was more evident in the earlier days as people help each other a lot. In the island communities, the extended families act as a safety net for the members of the community in times of need. If one falls ill in the community, the neighbors take food and help them in household chores in earlier days. In times of death and grief, the neighbors look after the household and lend a shoulder to lean on till the time passes. If there is the birth of an additional member in their community, the neighbors take of the mother and the baby. Food and other household chores are too taken care of by different members in the neighborhood. Women make sure that their island is clean. Female members of the island sweeps the whole island every day. This is seen as a social gathering where they enjoy and takes pride in being responsible citizens of their island. The positive and helping nature of the communities signifies the Islamic culture, Islamic values where kinship, caring and willing to lend a hand and alms giving remains as one of the fundamental tenets of Islam. Festivals and foods. Maldivian festivals are mostly related to Islam. Eid festivals, Al-Eid and Fitr Eid are two major celebrations of the Maldivians. As Maldivian is a Muslim nation, however, there are some festivals which are part of the traditional culture like the Kite Gudi flying festival. Today we do not see this festival, but during Ramadan it is common to see kite flying in the evenings. Significant traditions, customs of the Maldivian culture. Naming a newborn child accompanied with a festive meal is also an occasion of celebration. The circumcision of male children is also a huge celebration for the family. This custom is accompanied by a lot of different food items, especially salt eats or hedika is a must during these days. Boduberu and other forms of entertainment are generally carried out during this custom. A traditional meal called keng was prepared for special occasion in the past, and even today this custom is carried out in some parts of the country. Traditional foods. The Maldives food mainly consists of ingredients related to coconut, flour, rice and sugar. Some examples of traditional foods include Godamfush Bofal and Handul Arus. Clothing. The traditional clothing of Maldivians include Divehi libas for women and Faili or Mund with shirt for men. During different time, the Maldivians had worn libas in different styles. The beautiful traditional dress is a work of Maldivian craftsmanship using Maldivian methods. The men even have worn their fairies with different trends. Traditional work. Here are some of traditional work of Maldivian. Lekua work, wood carving, boat building, stone carving, Diguharlium, special form of wood carving, mat weaving, Fangivinu, Tundukuna, and Santivium. Ronvasho, Koyarop, including floor mats. Maldives arts and literature. Traditionally, Maldivian art and can be seen in the stone carvings, wood carvings and other forms of carvings used in the mosque and gravestones. The patterns in mats lacquer work also reflect some of the patterns we see in South Asia. There are calligraphic writings penned on mosques that are verses of the Holy Quran, and they bore resemblance to the Islamic culture from other countries such as Pakistan and Arabia. If one look closely at some carvings on wood and stone, they resemble patterns and interiors of Islamic countries. There are resemblances to such art in other countries of Indian subcontinent. The literature of Maldives include Bandi, Ravar, Leng and Wahak. Students, have you seen any Maldivian arts and literature work? Here are some pictures of it. Lacquer work of Maldives, ancient Maldivian stone carvings on walls of buildings. Divehi literature. Maldives has its own language and script which has developed from various stages. Present Divehi uses Thana script, but earlier another script called Dives Akuru was also used. In Divehi, letters of the alphabets are called Akuru. Preserving and maintaining culture and heritage. Culture and heritage is part of one's identity. It tells you who you are, where you come from. Culture and heritage reflects the norms, values, and other attitudes that make you a Maldivian and a Muslim. Mainly, culture and heritage shows the origins, the developments, and other important aspects related to a group of people. People grow up with indigenous values that are associated with a group of people they belong with. Culture paves the road of socially accepted values, norms, and other beliefs that guides in his or her whole life. The role of technology in preserving and maintaining of culture and heritage. Today, a lot of countries are working on preserving their heritage and culture. The indigenous skills specific to nation may fade away if it is not preserved. Technology is used for the preserving culture. From buildings, monuments, and works of art to folklore and language, digital technologies are changing the face of heritage preservation. Computer virtualization are now commonplace, while media archiving and digital restoration are widespread. Digital humanities, sometimes called humanities computing, combine methodologies from the traditional humanities disciplines such as history, art, and music with the tools provided by computing such as data visualization, information retrieval, and data mining. Now it's time to do the activities. Activity 1. In this activity, imagine your class is going to participate in a kite flying competition in the way we call Kudieru. The teacher has assigned each student to design their kite. You can use any kind of paper, strings, colors, and any items you want. You can draw or decorate your kite with different papers and other items you choose. Using an A4 paper, explain the items used in your kite and what is the special feature of your kite. Here is your second activity, activity 2. In this activity, you have to make a mixed media project to show your own Divehi libas and faili. You can use papers, plastic bags, fabrics, and other materials to complete this activity.
This is the end of today's lesson. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson with me. Stay safe, stay home. Wassalamu alaikum.
EPS Teleclass